Hello everyone, welcome back to episode 3 of this series where I show you how to code a Discord bot using interactions.py. Today I will be showing you how to use context menus for your Discord bot.
So what are context menus? There are two types, message commands and user commands. So for message commands, you need a message to invoke them. This only applies for desktop users for now. It will be in mobile later on in the future. So you have to right click it, then you need to go to the apps menu, and then there will be context menus over there. So for example, I have this hello message context menu that I made. It'll basically copy what the original message had, and it'll say that you said whatever it had. You can keep doing that for any message that you want. Now for user context menus, they're basically the same thing as message commands, but for the user. So then you can have information about the user, and you can make commands accordingly. So over here I had a hello user, which would say my username, then hello member, which would say my nickname. So these are examples of context menus. So how do we code context menus? So we need to use a separate decorator than appbot.command. It is called appbot.message command or user command. I will start with the message command. And the only things that you can put inside of it is the name of it. It can have spaces and capital letters this time though. And the scope, which guilds you want it to be in, and the default permission. So you cannot put a description for a context menu. So I'll put name equals hello message, and then the scope, and then I'll make the function, I'll define it, and then this is sending a message saying you said, and then ctx.target.content. ctx.target is basically whatever you targeted with the context menu with. So if it's a message command, it will be the message of the context menu you used it on. If it was a user command, then it would be the user. So ctx.target is the message that you use it on. So the content of the message will be sent in the chat. So if I start this now, and then if I switch over to Discord once it is ready, and then use the app on the message, then as you can see, it works. Now to create user commands, you use appbot.userCommand, and then name, I'll put hello user this time, and the scope, and then hello user. Then this time I'm gonna be sending the username of the user and the discriminator of the user. So ctx.target in this case would be the user that you use the context menu on. That's why it's the target of the context menu. So the username and then the discriminator. And if I test this out real quick, now if I use it on myself, as you can see, it works. But what if you wanted to get the member object instead of the user? What if you wanted to check to add the roles or something like that? You cannot do that with a user. So basically this is an interactions.user model, and we need a member if we want that. So my other example command was hello member. So how I did that was I created a new variable So how do you get the member? Basically, what I did was get the member. So await bot.http.getMember, and then the ctx.guildid, and then the user ID, and then the client. So, and then put these double asterisks in front of this, and then surround it in the brackets of interactions.member. This will give us a member object. Now we can try this instead. So what I did over here is I got the username of the member if the nickname of the member is none. Else I'm gonna send the nickname of the user. So if I run this, wait for it to get ready, and then if I run this on myself, hello member, as you can see it says hello Nick. Now if I change my server profile and remove the nickname and then try it out now, as you can see it says my username now. This is a basic example of how to use context menus in your code. Also refer to the documentation for more things about what you can do. For example, you can view the documentation about the command context or the user command and the message command decorators and so on. The link will be down in the description below. Also, if you want, if you need help regarding any of the code, then you can join the Discord server below. It's the support server for interactions.py. Join it and then ask in #help channel.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please consider liking this video, commenting your feedback, and sharing this video to others. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on future tutorials and other videos. Bye bye.